Hello, class 8. This is your chapter number 22, that is similes. Do you know what is a simile? You have read about it in the last class as well. Okay, let me tell you what is a simile. Similes are a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of different kind. It is used to give more emphasis. All right. So, what is the meaning of this? That is, it is a first of all, it is a figure of speech. Why figure of speech is used? To give more emphasis or to make it look better or to have to create a curiosity or interest in the mind of the reader. So that is why your figure of speech is used. So simile is also a figure of speech that you can find in your poems. All right. So similes are like phrases that compare two different things having a common quality. The quality is same. And in similes we use words such as or like that you can see here. Then see the next point that is given here, that they are used to create word picture image and make written content interesting. I told you it is used to create interest in the mind of the reader readers in the mind of the readers. So for these things we use similes. This chapter is very short and easy as well. So let's quickly do this chapter. Let's see some examples. Though almost 80 years old, my grandfather is still as fit as a fiddle. So here we are comparing the fitness of grandfather with fiddle, as fit as a fiddle. So you can see here the qualities are similar, but two things are compared here. Then a list of common similes that is we use are given below. We can read them. As busy as a bee. So you should be as busy as bee. The way bees are busy should be like that. Then as strong as a bull. You know how bulls are strong. Then as proud as a peacock. As clear as water. You know water is clear. Then as easy as ABC. You know it is a very basic thing and it's the easiest thing. So we compare this quality easy with ABC. Then as sharp as a knife. You know knives are sharp. Then 7, as silent as a stone. You can see stones are always silent. Then as fresh as a daisy, as innocent as a lamb, as cunning as a fox, as high as a kite, as cold as ice, as fat as a pig, as old as the hills, as brave as a lion. So these are certain examples. These are commonly used examples that is listed here. There are many that you can use in your daily life also. And I told you it is used to make your even essays or whatever you write, your whatever you think you frame for your exams also, you can use them to make it look interesting. It makes your writing, whatever you have written, it makes it interesting. So now let's do this exercise A. What you have to do here, you have to complete the similes with words given in the box. There are certain words given in the box, you have to use them. See, what is hint given here? Think about the characteristics of the animals and objects mentioned in the simile. So how you can do these things? You just think for the about the characteristic of that particular object, what is mentioned there, or for that just think for the characteristic of that animal and think how they are, and according to that you can fill these similes, and they are very easy to do. All right, you can do it easily. See, first is as clear as a crystal. If you just imagine crystals, they are very clear, so it is very easy, you can pick from this box. Then as cool as a cucumber, they are cool. Then as proud as a peacock, we have read it above also. As innocent as a baby. See, above it is mentioned as innocent as a lamb, but here it is as innocent as a baby because the qualities are same. Okay, babies are also very innocent. They are not filled with all those things, so they are innocent. Then as dry as dust. Dust is dry. Then as cunning as a fox. As brave as a lion. then as pretty as a flower, as busy as a bee, as stubborn as a mule. So you can just think once about them, and easily you can write these similes. Then B is complete the similes with the words given in the box. Now you have to complete these similes with the words given in the box. So if you just read it once again, you can do it exactly like the last exercise we have done. What you have to do here, hint is given, match the qualities given in the similes with the object or animals given in the box. Now qualities are given, you have to compare it with the things or animals. See, as light as a feather, feather is very light, as light as a feather. Then second, as wise as an owl, owls are wise. Then as black as coal, as cold as ice, as free as a bird. Sixth, as old as the mountains. Seventh, as hard as a rock. Rocks are hard. Then eighth, as easy as ABC. Ninth, as white as snow. 10th, as crazy as a lunatic. So in this way, we have completed this exercise B. Now what you have to do in this exercise C. See, it's the most interesting exercise. We are completing the sentences now with suitable similes. The similes are given there and we have to complete the blank. So here with these similes, using those similes, what is the meaning of that? With that we have to fill here. See the first one, she designs clothes for women. So during the wedding season, she becomes as busy as a bee and works day and night. So you can see that simile, as busy as a bee, means you are too busy. So here, because she is a designer and during the wedding season, she just becomes like that. She becomes just like bee who is very busy. So that is how we have to do this exercise. Second is Asha Bhosle's voice is very sweet. She sings like a nightingale. So here we are comparing the quality of Asha Bhosle's voice with nightingale. You know, nightingale sings like their voice is great. So we compare whoever's voice is very sweet, we compare their voice with nightingale. Then third, the news of the bank robbery spread like wildfire throughout the city. You know how wildfire spread. So we have compared the news with the spreading like wildfire. Then fourth, though Rahul is lean, he is as strong as an ox. So we have compared his strength with ox. Fifth, when father asked Ajay whether he had broken the window pane of Mr. Sharma's house, he did not answer and stood there as silent as a stone. He was just standing there silently. Then sixth, the baby's skin was soft and as smooth as a silk. So we have compared the softness of baby's skin with silk, how smooth the silk is. Then seventh, Jia is not involved in this mischief. She is as innocent as a lamb. So we have compared again her innocence with lamb's innocence. Eighth, after recovering from her illness, Jane looked as fresh as a daisy. You know, daisies look as fresh. So they look fresh. So we have compared her recovery with this girl's recovery. After her recovery, she was looking as fresh as a daisy. Then 9, they were fighting like cats and dogs in the playground yesterday. You can imagine how cats and dogs fight like hell. So they were also fighting like that, and that is why this action is compared with the fight that is there between cats and dogs. Then 10th, don't touch the broken glass. It is as sharp as a knife. So here the sharpness of that broken glass is compared with the sharpness of knife. All right, so you can see how we have related these qualities with rest of the thing. That is why I told you that this exercise is very interesting. All right, students, so I told you this chapter is very easy and it's short as well, and you'll feel not bored to complete this exercise. So again, I'm telling you, complete each and every exercise in your grammar copies and read each and everything that you can read here in this chapter. So we'll meet in the next video now. Till then, bye and take care.